Hello my beautiful friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm unboxing another holiday mystery box from House of Sillage. You want to see what I got? Stick around. But first, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Eileen and I am so very glad that you decided to come and hang out with me for a while today. If you've not yet subscribed, I'd love it if you'd hit that subscribe button. Also, if you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up before you leave. Now, after the last mystery box from the House of Sillage that I unboxed last month, and then seeing some amazing deals that they were offering as Christmas approached, I ended up placing another order. There was a large mystery box available, but I knew that there were a couple things that I wanted and I didn't want to leave to chance. So I got a smaller mystery box, plus a couple of things that were on pretty good sale. We'll unbox those in another video because it was a separate order. But for right now, this is the Sillage Holiday Vault. This is a mystery vault that promised to contain one full-size fragrance, no idea which one, which is the cupcakes. And other than that, it was all a mystery. So let's see what we got in this beautiful box. The box opens here with a bit of a magnetic clasp, and it's all beautifully wrapped, and let's see what's inside. Okay, the first thing I see is one of the Trend fragrances. This is the Trend by House of Sillage number 7. The Trend is a collection of travel sprays, each with their own fragrance in their own case. These are not the same fragrances that are in those full-size cupcakes. These fragrances are unique to this Trend collection, and they're inspired by current fashion trends. These are significantly less expensive than their other fragrances in travel cases, and you do get an extra refill in this. So you get, no, you don't just get one, you get 2. The inspiration for number 7, which is Destiny, is this cosmic scent was created for the daring divas who are enchanting and passionate about their purpose. Comfortable with the spotlight, these stargazers are easy to spot in a crowd. With the cosmos on your side, dare to dream with destiny. So let's take a look. As I said, you do get another, you can see in there that there is a refill in there. Here's the case. Oh, isn't that gorgeous? And I'm already wearing fragrance, so I have some fragrance strips here. And I do have some notes on what the notes are in each fragrance. But let's take a look. It does say on the top here, House of Sillage. It really is nice and weighty. Pull the cap off, and then you see that these drop right in. You could, I assume, use any refill in this from their collection. So let's spray this and see. Hope this doesn't drive my air filter crazy, because it does sometimes when I spray perfumes. Nice mist. Ooh, I'm already getting peach. Oh, that's very pretty. You see the top note is peach flower, heart note is water jasmine, and the base note is a sensual musk. Oh, it's very pretty. It's light and fresh. I'm definitely going to enjoy that one. This would be a really good everyday scent. Not too sweet. It's more like, you know, fruity floral than sweet. I tend to like very sweet fragrances, but this is nice. It's very, very, very fresh, so I'm very happy with that one, and I just think the case is absolutely gorgeous. So far so good. Next we have an Arabesque. This is a travel spray set. Here's the box, and there's a little ribbon here, and you pull it open like this to open, and this is how it presents. This is a cleaning cloth. Sets, this is the Arabesque collection, and sets include a travel spray solo case, which is this case from the Arabesque collection. There are other travel spray containers that are not part of this collection, but with this sort of filigree is the word I want to use for it, pattern is their Arabesque collection, and you get 4 travel size 8 milliliter refills of a single signature fragrance. The Arabesque collection comes in 7 color options. Some are color with gold and some are with silver, and they are encrusted with Swarovski crystals. So you can see that around the middle here where it says House of Sillage. And then there is because this is the ruby travel case set. This one is red and I have the Swarovski ruby crystal on the top. Say the ruby is renowned as the gemstone of nobility. It symbolizes an inextinguishable flame of fortitude. Fiery and captivating, this design exudes the intensity of passion and allure, while it strengthens the commitment to manifest one's desires. And these sets can have any of their signature fragrances in them, but the one that I received is Benevolence, which is one of my favorite fragrances from House of Sillage. So I am quite pleased with that. I will spray it now even though I don't need to because I know what it smells like, because I got a discovery set and just absolutely fell in love with Benevolence. Oh, I can smell it already and it's just gorgeous. So the inspiration for Benevolence is benevolence symbolizes the sacred essence of comfort and tenderness and brings about the promise of security, hope, and endless compassion. Top notes are almond oil and bergamot, heart notes, orange blossom and jasmine, and base notes of vanilla and sugar. And I am so in love with this fragrance, and it is taken everything I have so far not to go out and buy a cupcake of it. But now that I have to travel, there's 1 in here and then 3 more. Hopefully that will hold me over until the next sale season, because I've already spent way more this holiday season than I had planned. And we are now into low buy 2021. So, but I'm very excited that I got one of my favorite fragrances in this travel set, because otherwise I would have really wanted to purchase it, and I'm trying really hard not to. Okay, next we have the Whispers in the Garden collection perfume travel set. There are 2 primary collections. At House of Sillage there is their signature collection, which the one that I just showed you, Benevolence, that is part of it. Then there was the Whispers in the Garden collection, and I guess actually there's 3 because Trend is the 3rd one. The Whispers in the Garden collection contains 1 travel size refill of each of the 7 Whispers in the Garden fragrances. These are interchangeable in those travel spray cases like that ruby one, as well as they have some limited edition cases. Full-size fragrances, if the Whispers in the Garden are 75 milliliter, most of them retail for $360 each. Whispers of Truth, which is, I think the newest one, is $495. Individual travel size fragrances in this collection are $60. So I received a total here of 56 milliliters of fragrance. So based on the price of the full sizes, would have a value of $283.20, or $420 if you just bought the 7 travel sizes individually. This retails for $195, but it is currently on sale for $97.50. It's 50% off. So if you have any interest, now is the time to go check this out. They also do offer a discovery set of the Whispers in the Garden, which are 1.5 milliliter samples. That discovery set is $35, and it's got a value of $63, almost $64. So if you have any interest and you want to check out what they smell like before you would want to, certainly before you invest in a big one, but even before you invest in a travel size, this set or the discovery set's a really good way to go. And like I said, this one currently on sale for 50% off. I don't know how much longer that's going on, but as of the day I'm filming this, they're still on sale, so definitely worth checking out if you're interested. So let's see what is next. Okay, so here is our full-size fragrance. This is the box. If you haven't seen them before, and it is sealed, so let's see if I can do this without ripping the box. I can peel down the seal on both sides, and then the lid lifts. There's styrofoam here, and then the front drops down, and there is our cupcake. And this is Holiday. This is from their signature perfume line. It is Holiday. The inspiration is blissful holiday magic emanates from this year-round citrus fragrance that brings clean and lively feeling. An orchestration of Egyptian jasmine and Haitian vetiver, paired with coral notes of Virginian cedar oil, encapsulates the magnificent emotions of excitement and joy. This dazzling fragrance sparkles with refreshing notes of peach, rose, and mandarin to invigorate your senses. Each signature fragrance, this contains the same as their limited edition versions, which have the really fancy decorated tops, which can range, you know, up to well over $1,000 each. But the signature ones just have these cupcake tops and they are adorned with 158 hand-placed Swarovski crystals. As you can see, they're absolutely gorgeous. They are so heavy. And it does say inside House of Sillage and the fragrance, which in this case is Holiday. So let's spray this one. Either my asthma is gonna go nuts, or the dog is gonna go nuts, or absolutely my air purifier is gonna go nuts, but that's okay. So let's spray this one. Okay. Ooh, this one's very different from the others. Not sure what it is that I'm smelling. It's a deeper scent. Top notes in this are mandarin and orange. Heart notes are peach and rose, and the base notes are vetiver and Virginian cedar. I think it's actually the cedar that I'm smelling. But yeah, I mean, you can kind of smell the holidays. It's not like, you know, you get a holiday candle and it smells like a pine tree. That's not what this smells like. But there is something that evokes. It does evoke the holidays. It's not one of those, like I said, you know, a Christmas tree and a pumpkin pie kind of a thing, but oh, that's very pretty. And you can see hopefully you can see it, the gradation of the color in the glass. So you get the blue at the bottom. These are just, they're works of art, the bottles themselves. So, very excited to have another cupcake in my collection. Holiday wasn't one of the ones that I was hoping specifically would be the cupcake, you know, but I did get Benevolence in my travel set, so that makes me happy. And I do enjoy this one, so I'm quite pleased. Leave any comments down in the comment section, and please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. Remember, life is uncertain. Add extra sparkle. And thank you for spending your time hanging out with me today. Please stay safe, be kind to yourself, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.